Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro smartwatch. Okay, it is our second video review, okay, and unboxing of this wearable. The first one we do have the specs and design. This time we are going to focus more on the menus and features of the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this new smartwatch from Zeblaze, the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and check on the details about the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro smartwatch. We'll check on the features, okay, offered here in the wearable. Okay, so let's focus on the menus and features. Let's check, but before that, let's adjust the brightness display here. I think that is too much. Okay, so again, we do have an AMOLED display screen. For its UI, on top we have the quick settings here. So for the settings, as you can see, beautiful icons. So we have here the brightness display, Bluetooth call, the information here, GTS 3 Pro. We also have here the music control, time and date, Bluetooth disconnected. Okay. Then on the other side, we do have the split screen. On the right side, we have the different menus and features. So far, it's very responsive here. Okay, smooth transition. On the bottom part, we have the notification function. Okay, so seems like there's no function for our rotary button here. It is just a power on and off button. Okay, or activating the menu. So there's no rotary function. Okay, so let's check on the different menus available for the smartwatch. We have here the telephone, contact person, call records, contacts, that is for the Bluetooth call. We do have here voice assistant, data. This is your daily activity tracking. We do have a workout, so it includes running, walking, hiking, cycling, basketball, badminton, soccer, and rope skipping. How many sports do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sports. We have workout records. We do have a heart rate here, heart rate zone, 24-hour heart rate, and we do have an average heart rate. We have a sleep monitoring, blood pressure, also have normal blood pressure range. We have here 7 times blood pressure data. It's not a 7-week, but 7 times. Okay, go back. We do have a blood oxygen monitoring. The same, we do have some details here. Okay, some graphs, some stats. Nice. Okay, very good. We have weather, female monitoring, music control. We also have a breath training, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock. We have business card, find phone, calculator. We also have calendar, camera control, and settings. Very good icon, by the way. Beautiful icons here. It's not similar to other smartwatches that have a somewhat like a generic icon. This one, I don't know if this is exclusive only for Zeblaze. Okay, so for our settings, we have menu style, display. For our menu style, we have at least 1, 2, 3, and 4 menu style. Later on, we're going to check on that. We have display, watch face switch. How many watch face do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 4 watch faces. Going back, we have battery percentage, Is there's additional setting? Yes, we do have power saving mode, vibration and ring. So mute, vibration on, vibration ring, vibration intensity. We do have here a QR code, set time, password, and system. For the system, we have system info, restart, shutdown, and reset. Okay, what else do we have here? Okay, so that's it. For the sports, let's check. Workout, walking, it tracks for, let's see. So it monitors the time, beats per minute, calories, steps, distance, and steps per minute. Okay, and going back. For the multiple menu option, let's check out the details. Menu style, style number 1. Okay, we do have a grid style. Okay, style number 2 is the list style. Style number 3, okay, somewhat like a rotary style menu. Okay, looks nice. Let's go to the settings again. And last one, style number 4, we have rotary also, but a full rotating menu here with a vibration. Okay, let's check. Let's go with the settings, go back to style number 2. Okay, so that's it for the different menus and features of our GTS 3 Pro from Zeblaze. Okay, before we end, let's check for the heart rate. So that is the UI. It's the UI of our heart rate monitoring. It's not working, I think. Okay, now I know why. So detect first whether you are wearing the smartwatch or not. If not, it will not check your heart rate. Okay, so meaning it is not just a random heart rate function here. Voice assistant, so you need your smartphone to make it work. Okay, so that's it again for the menus and features offered for or available here in our GTS 3 Pro smartwatch. The Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro smartwatch. Menus and features. Bye.